I'd like to say thank you to the court for getting us in early. We appreciate it.
No problem. Your name, ma'am?
Adriana Vegas.
Which one was it, John?
Yep.
All right, this is a drunk driving OWI. Does she stand mute and wait formal reading?
Yes,
All right, I'm entering a not guilty plea for, is this a first offense?
yes, Your Honor.
Allegedly, what was the reference?
I believe it was the IBAC. I would say 2-1. Don't quote me on that, but I knew that was
She is 20, just turned 24, right?
correct.
All right. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea. I'm signing your order for discovery. We'll set a pretrial date. I'm gonna give you a personal bond of $1,000. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm gonna order the man that you not purchase, possess, or consume alcohol or illegal drugs, okay? I do want you going to AANA at least one time per week. You have to go in person. We're gonna hand you a form. Every time you go, you have to have the form signed. And every time you come to court, you have to bring that form with you. Do you understand all that? All right. So what do you have for me, Heather?
It'll be February 18th at 9:30.
Is that good with you?
Thank you.
February 18th, you said at what time?
9:30.
9:30. Okay, that's what we'll do.
Thank you so much.
And you can, here, I'm gonna give her the form. You can just bear with me once. I'm gonna give her a copy of the bond sheet. And, whoa. Mutilated copy of the bond sheet. Yes. There you go, ma'am. You can approach and we'll hand you that. And,
It was a discovery order as well.
I signed that.
Thank you.
I did sign that, and you can go down the hall and they'll give you a copy of it, okay?
Thank you so much.
One other thing, let me just double check something. Yeah, we're all set.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Have a good day, thanks. Lori Gay Hinkle, 26W841130A and B. Your name?
Laura Gainville.
You smell of alcohol, I'm told, Ms. Hinkle. Are you
I
drunk?
was drinking last night.
Are you drunk?
No,
We're gonna give you a PBT, okay? You're gonna, my court officer's going to administer a PBT to you.
I
So,
was drinking till,
ma'am,
Go ahead and see the hallway.
we're gonna administer a PBT to you.
Go ahead and see the hallway.
And you'll go out and, so that goes to the prosecutor. That's the PBT. People against Labadie. Reed Dean Labadie Jr. 25W82910.
Morning, Your Honor. Tim Gander, on behalf of the Labadie, who's also present. This is the time and date sentencing.
Your name, sir?
Reed Labadie, doing.
All right, I want to make sure, first of all, have you had a chance to review, he pled, by the way, to this, under height at a window peeping,
That's correct.
and, he was to go to AANA twice a week. Have you
Yeah.
seen that form?
10 visits.
He's been doing that? Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Should I submit this to your clerk for copy?
No, that's all right. I trust you. He's gonna need to keep that, okay?
Well, he's been doing really well on that.
Good.
Very seriously. Whenever you're ready, I can address the PSI.
Yeah, have you had a chance to review the report? Now,
We did, we looked it over this morning. I went over with my client. The only real issue is that we had, seems to me like outpatient counseling is a bit extreme. If he's testing twice a week, he's been clean, he's been following the court's recommendation and order. As far as AA goes, maybe if the court was inclined to entertain that particular element, that if he tested positive, maybe that it could trigger outpatient. Because he expressed to me this
Well, I
morning.
mean, I think their concern is, he had THC in his system. He acknowledged he he was using marijuana and he had 10 beers and now he's going in the backyard of somebody's house and window peeping. I mean, I don't think it's that extreme, but I get it. Go ahead. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt.
No, and I think that that's a very valid point, and I think that that's something that he expressed to me this morning was that, you know, I think he's relieved that this ended where it did, you know, and it didn't result in something more extreme. You know, I mean, people get shot for stuff like that. And that was something that he expressed to me was that, you know, in the grand scheme of things, the severity of it was probably as minimal as it could be. But Judge, yes, I would say that, you know, given the fact that you know, going to 2 AA sessions per week and has, you know, weekly or bi-weekly testing, whatever the court would order on that. If he did test positive and he's quit smoking marijuana for the most part, I think. If he tested positive for alcohol or drugs, any illegal drugs at any point in time, then at that point in time, couldn't that trigger an outpatient program?
That's your argument.
Yes.
I got it. Anything else? Either one of you?
You have everything?
I just want to say that was a dumb mistake and I'm glad it turned out the way it did. Could have been a lot worse.
And you went over and got fingerprinted, right?
Yeah, I did, right after the last court date.
By the way, I just need to ask, is there a Tyler or Brooklyn Wilson here? All right.
Stuff.
All right, I'm gonna take this under the Home Vehicle Training Act. As agreed upon, that's what you guys agreed upon, I'll do that. 15 months probation, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court, you cannot violate any law or ordinance. You change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation, you have to report as directed, no alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal controlled substances, you're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those, you're just kratom, poppy seeds, and CBD oils are prohibited. Consuming food or other items containing those substances will be deemed a violation. You're to submit to chemical testing PBTs bi-weekly for 4 months. If you're clean, I'll then make it monthly. No contact with Brooklyn Wilson or her family members. No contact with her or her family members. You're not to enter the property or go near the property address of 19116 Hyde Park Court in the city of Woodhaven. I'm going to order 4 days jail. I'm going to let you serve those as follows. 3 days on the court work program. There's a $35 a day charge for that for a total of $105. And 1 day or 8 hours of community service, which you have to complete in this case by March the 20th. I am going to order that you continue attending AANA twice a week in person until you're in outpatient treatment. I'm going to order outpatient treatment as well. You're to attend that and complete that. Fines. So you understand the sentence so far?
Yes.
Fines are 100, costs are 200, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 4 and a quarter, screening fee 60 for 485. Probation fees are 300 for 785 plus your court work program fees. Your total's 890. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal and 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal if you cannot afford them. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, that's what I'm gonna do. Does he have all of this to pay?
I'm sure he probably would need some time to make payments, Joe.
How much do you have today?
I didn't want to pay it all time sheet.
I didn't ask you that. How much do you have to pay?
I can pay 100. I can pay 100.
$100 now, 75 a week, you can do that, right?
Yeah.
75 per week, I'll give you a little bit of leeway. Or give you a little bit of a head start, so to speak. So I won't have you pay this until February the 27th, and you'll meet with probation. And if you ever don't have the money, you call the clerk and on Zoom, I'll give you an extension, okay? Honor before the duty. Good luck. Thanks, counsel. Lori Gave Hinkle. You're drunk.
Well said. I still.
You said no, sir. What's your name? Tell me your name.
My name's Lori Gainville.
You got a .166 on the PBT.
I was drinking until 4:01 and I didn't know that I couldn't do that was.
You're still drunk.
No, it was.
Both from home.
Man, we've got a .166. Who drove here?
My friend.
Who's- Is this the guy here? Did he drive?
Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton, the left president,
Slow down.
president
What?
of the United States.
Hang on a second. Who?
The 11th cousin to the United States president,
What's his name?
Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton. The cousin to the president.
You ready?
Yeah.
The president of the United States?
Yes,
The president right now?
yes, sir.
He's shaking his head no. Why is he shaking his head no? If he's not the president, why?
No, he's not president, he's the 11th cousin.
11th cousin. He's shaking his head no. Then he's not the 11th cousin. And honestly, I don't care if he's the brother of the president. It's not going to help you, so I don't need to hear this. What I do want you to know, if you show up for court again drunk, we're going to have a big problem. I'm going to reschedule your case. Sir, you cannot let her drive. Do you understand?
Thank you, Judge McNally.
Well, you got to.
Pledge allegiance.
I'm sorry?
Pledge allegiance.
Pledge allegiance? Is that what you said?
Yes.
I'm unjustified.
Just relax. Heather, give me another date, will you please? I should probably have you locked up until you go down. Give me another date.
We can do February 18th at 9:45.
Come on up here, sir. What is your name?
My name is Ron and
Did you drive her here?
yes, I did. In fact, mom and alcohol when she got up.
You live with her?
She stayed with me last night. She asked me 2 days ago if I'd come with her. So really happened. She left my house when she got
Is she gonna have access to a motor vehicle?
no. Not that bad.
Do you own a motor vehicle, ma'am?
That's what
Does she?
a 2010 Ford Focus,
She owns it.
light gray.
Well, hang on a second. You just told me she didn't have access. If she owns a motor vehicle, how does she not have access to the vehicle?
I'm the one when we not just. I picked him last night.
Go down the hall, get your new date. It's going to be February 18th
February 18th.
at 9:45 in the morning.
You think 45 an hour, no alcohol.
Don't show up drunk.
Yes.
Don't show up after consuming alcohol.
Okay, sir.
We understand?
Okay.
Sir, I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna trust you're not gonna give her those keys.
Thank you. I'm trying to get her into a treatment center for alcoholism.
All right, let's not have any further discussions here, okay?
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do. Do not drive. Do you understand?
Yes,
Do not drive. You understand?
Yes,
Sir.
Go down the hall. They'll give you a notice. Thank you.